What a wonderful world.
ओके आई नो कि अभी लॉकडाउन लगा हुआ है एंड स्कूल्स और कॉलेजेस ओपन नहीं हैं बट दिस डजंट मीन कि वो कभी भी नहीं खुलेंगे. आई एम श्योर दे आर गोइंग टू ओपन सूनर और लेटर. Hi everyone, my name is Saiba and welcome back to my channel Clumsy Lobster. So for today's video, I'm going to share with you a few of the styling tips that I so wished I knew when I was in my college, because looking back to those days, I realize how stupid I used to dress up. I know that all of you are wasting your time sitting at home, so why not waste your time by learning something new. So ये वीडियो ज़रूर सेव करके रख लेना, बिकॉज जब भी आपका स्कूल या कॉलेज खुलेगा you can just try out these styles and they will instantly change the way you look. So without wasting any further time, let's get into the video. अच्छा, before we go, एक मिनट रुक जाओ. I'll share all the tips with you. But before we move further, there's just one thing I want to tell you. Please subscribe to my channel. वो जो नीचे रेड वाला बटन है, just press on it so that you never miss a video, because there are so many amazing videos that are going to come up. So you don't want to miss them out. Anyway, without wasting further time, let's get into the video. Okay, I'm not trying to do any kind of body shaming here. So the first tip is that you need to ditch your low waist denims for high waisted denims. So if you're somebody with a curvy figure, तो जो high waisted jeans होती है, it helps to hide your tummy. So if you're somebody who's pretty thin, तो जीन्स में there is a lot of extra fabric which will wrap around your waist and it will make it more fuller. So instead of wearing those low-waisted weird denims, just ditch them for the high-waisted denims, because high-waisted denims make every kind of top look so much better. The second tip that I want to share with you is that always try to wear some kind of blazer, shrug with a simple outfit, because it makes you look more put together. ऐसा लगता है कि आपने पता नहीं कितना टाइम स्पेंड किया है, जबकि you have just spent about 2 to 3 minutes planning that outfit. The third styling tip is how to look taller. So I have 2 tips for you in order to look taller than you already are. First is to wear a bell bottom. So bell bottom पहनने से क्या होता है, you look way more taller than you are. And second tip is to wear vertical stripes. So vertical stripes पहनने से it creates the illusion that you are taller. So these are the 2 things that you can follow if you're short and you want to increase your height. The fourth tip that I want to share with you is to wear a peplum top to hide your curves. Peplum tops are so underrated and I don't know why. They look so pretty, and the best part about them is that they literally hide all your curves beneath them. So if you have a fear that you just cannot wear good clothes because you have tummy, so that's completely wrong. You can just switch to peplum tops and they will instantly hide that tummy area and they'll make your waist look much thinner. The next styling tip is to wear some kind of statement shoes. अब अच्छा से अच्छा आउटफिट पहन लो एंड यू वेयर सम बैड शूज विद इट या खराब सी स्लीपर्स, योर आउटफिट इज गोइंग टू get lost in those slippers, because it's said that shoes are the first thing that people see in you. So always wear good shoes. I cannot emphasize on how a shoe can make your look much more put together. आप एक simple basic सा top और jeans पहन के you wear some beautiful heels with it and it will look like that, oh my god, she's so glamorous, she's put so much into this dress today. The next styling tip is to accessorize. Now you can see I'm just wearing very simple accessories right now. I have a simple chain, I have a ring, and I have some tops. I don't really prefer wearing the fake tops because मुझे वो सूट नहीं करते and I try to skip them as much as I can. So talking about accessories, there is one tip that you always need to follow when you are putting some accessories, and that is that you need to ensure कि आपकी जो accessories हैं उन सबका कलर सेम है. सो फॉर एग्जाम्पल राइट नाउ आई एम वेयरिंग दिस गोल्ड कलर्ड रिंग, माई टॉप्स आर ऑल्सो गोल्डन एंड माई चेन इज ऑल्सो गोल्डन. सो ऑलवेज इंश्योर कि आप जब भी एक्सेसरीज पहनो तो उन सबका कलर सेम हो. If you're going for a silver theme, then everything should be silver. ऑल्सो ये भी ध्यान रखो कि आप जो भी बैग यूज़ कर रहे हो, फॉर दैट ऑल्सो आपका जो हुक होगा, जो चेन होगा, दैट शुड ऑल्सो मैच योर एक्सेसरीज. सो वेन एवर यू आर बाइंग अ पर्टिकुलर टाइप ऑफ बैग, तो प्लीज़ चेक कि इज इट मैचिंग द टाइप ऑफ एक्सेसरीज यू यूज़. सो आई यूजुअली प्रेफर गोल्ड colored accessories. So I try to buy my bags in such a manner कि उनकी जो zips वगैरह हैं वो सब भी golden color की हो. The next styling tip that I want to give to you is always wear a same kind of perfume, because perfume is a fragrance जिससे लोग आपको identify करते हैं. Like if you're literally walking down a corridor and somebody smells it, so they'll know that it's you. Fragrance एक बहुत बड़ा role play करती है हमारी lives में. It tells another person who we actually are. So instead of switching your fragrances, your perfumes every day, just stick to one regular perfume and use it every day. The last styling tip that I want to give to you is always try to learn a very basic type of makeup. Now क्या होता है, हम रोज मेकअप से एक्सपेरिमेंट करते हैं एंड सम टाइम इट डजंट वर्क आउट फॉर अस. सो इंस्टेड ऑफ एक्सपेरिमेंटिंग ऑन अ डे व्हेन यू एक्चुअली हैव टू गो आउट एंड मीट पीपल, एक्सपेरिमेंट व्हाइल यू आर एट होम, एंड व्हेन यू आर गोइंग आउट जस्ट ट्राई ऑन दैट बेसिक मेकअप जो आप बहुत रेगुलरली वेयर कर रहे हो, एंड यू आर श्योर दैट यू आर नॉट गोइंग टू मेस अप विद इट. सो दिस इज माई फेवरेट मेकअप लुक, टू बी ऑनेस्ट. इट्स जस्ट अ बेसिक लाइनर with some mascara, a lot of blush and a basic lipstick. So always have this basic makeup look ready with you so that you don't have to change it. So that was it for today's video. I hope you had a lot of fun, and if there is any other styling tip that you think I missed, you're free to write them in the comment section below so that others can also read it. Thank you so much you guys for watching this video. Bye.